300 reps to understanding the most important punch in boxing by throwing it with mean intentions through this shadow boxing workout. Hello, Earthlings. Oh, Survivor Ronald from the Bronx here. I want to get right into it, starting off with the basics of the jab, which is the stationary one. But before we get into that, we're going to get into the boxing stance. So if you're southpaw, right foot first, left foot back, shoulder width apart. If you're conventional like me and most people, it's going to be left foot first, right foot back. That is your power hand, right hand in the back, like you're phoning a friend. Crunch your torso, body not square, 45-degree angle. You're gonna stay nice and light on those toes, slightly bend your knees. First, front foot about a 45-degree angle, back foot about a 90-degree angle. Now you're gonna bring that hand up, lead hand, right under your eye, not in front of it because you're blocking your vision, right under it. Relax your shoulders and then start rocking back and forth. Now from here, we are going to get into the stationary jab. We're gonna throw 50 jabs. We're only gonna be shifting our weight forward as we're throwing it, okay? That's all the powers, and it's going to come from just being stationary. So like this here, and just throwing it from the cheek. And we're going to start in 3. We're going to do 50 reps. 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it straight. Keep your elbows in. Don't flare your elbow. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You want to snap that punch. 14, 15. As quickly as you bring it out, this as quickly as you bring it back. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, right back to the face, 23, 24, try to mimic me as best you can, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. You don't necessarily have to go at my pace, go at the pace as best as you can. 39, 40, 41, 42, keep that chin tucked, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Right, we're going to shake it out. Now the next 50 reps is simply going to be the anchor, okay? So we're going to anchor our back foot and step forward. We're coming into the void if they're right out of our distance and then coming right back out of it. So all together, and you're throwing it at the same time. We're going to do 50 reps in 3, 2, 1. Keep those hands up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Try to go at my tempo if you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I know you started feeling your shoulder. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I'm going to slow it down just a little bit. 24, 25, 26, 27. Snap it out. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Keep the elbow in. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Keep them hands up. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. We're not going to get too complex with jabs. We're just going to focus on the basics as far as the jab goes. Now the next 50 is going to be a little bit trickier because again, especially if you're new to this and you're trying to find your balance, it's going to feel like your hips are not underneath you properly and your posture is not straight in accordance to the way you need to throw the punch. So we're going to do the opposite, vice versa. We're going to anchor the front foot and step back with the back foot. All right, and the whole purpose is if they're coming in very quickly, you don't really have time to react, you may be against the wall or the ropes, you can simply just jab on the way back. And obviously, if you need to get out the way, you can pivot out the way or do whatever it is that you need to do to ensure that. But boom, just like this. All right, we're gonna do 50 in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna slow the tempo down. 10, keep them elbows in. 11, 12, tuck that chin. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, that's 150 reps down, halfway done. We're going to loosen up the shoulders. Ooh. Try to get that lactic acid out, especially in your lead arm, because of course your shoulder's probably engorged with blood right now, making it harder to punch as much as you need to. The oxygen is really filling up in there. If you need to get water, get some water. All right, now we're gonna get to the halfway point. We're gonna do 25 reps side to side and then 25 reps going forward. Okay, so you're simply just gonna step with the back foot. You're gonna push off that back foot while taking a step with your lead foot to go to the left, and you're gonna push off your front foot while taking a step with your right foot to jab at the same time. So it's like this here. Okay, try to keep your posture underneath you, your hips balanced, and your posture and your torso erect. Don't lean too far forward, don't lean too far back. You're gonna go to side to side in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 25. All right, now we're gonna go forward and back. Similar to the side. You're pushing off that back foot, taking a step with your front foot. You go forward, pushing off that front foot, taking a step with your back foot. And you're doing it at the same time, all right? Shake it out. Breathe in, out through the mouth. Let's go. Forward and back in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, 200 reps down. All right, now for the next 25, we're going to do a double, we're going to do, why am I forgetting? A probing jab. So we're gonna do a probing jab to a jab. So I'm gonna throw a jab, I'm gonna have my hand out here, okay? And then I'm gonna pop it right from where it is. I didn't mean to get confused there. So I'm gonna keep it halfway, I'm probing like I'm touching, to maintain that distance and see if I can touch my opponent and control it and dictate the pace, and then jab from there, okay? So like that, we're gonna do 25 in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right. All right, now the next 25, we're going to do a body jab. So we're simply going to step forward, just like this there, aiming for the solar plexus, keeping that chin up. Keeping that chin down, hand up, right back to the face. So like that here. Or it's a little more complicated, a little more advanced. You push your head back and down to the side as you have your hand go vertical until the solar plexus completely get out the way and come back. Have some more experience. If you feel like that's comfortable for you, go for it. I wouldn't advise it, especially if you're beginner. I'm gonna shake it out. Need to get some water, get some water. You don't need to mimic my pace completely, but I'm gonna try to slow it down just a little bit. All right, we're gonna do 25 reps. Aiming for the body with the jab. You're stepping into it while crouching down slightly in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 50 more reps. We are almost there. Now, for the next 50, we're gonna finish strong. We're gonna do a double jab. So if you're outside of the void, maybe a little too far for you to get in close, you're gonna use one jab to get in close for good measure, and then the second jab to touch them. And if you touch them with that jab, you can touch them with that power hand. So like this here, all right? Just double, full, complete length and extension of the jab, or jab halfway back and then jab again. So like this here, all right, whichever one's more comfortable for you. It's all about gaining that ground and distance to get close to your opponent and touch them eventually with the power hand. All right, check it out. It's gonna be the last 50 reps. And each two counts as two. I'm gonna count to 25 because in total that's gonna be 50 reps, finishing off with that 300. And we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, almost there. Keep going strong. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 300 reps down. If you made it this far, you should be really proud of yourself. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the ultraviolet. And if you liked the video, please comment and subscribe. And always remember to work towards becoming your greatest version.